Today we're gonna unbox a iFlight FPV racing drone frame. So it's a iFlight XL6 version 4 True X. It's a 6-inch kit carbon frame. There. Yeah. So we're gonna unbox this. Voila! So you have a battery strap. Not bad. It says focus, there. And then sticky, I don't know. Manual for you to follow how to assemble this one. Another one. And another one. So it comes with the antenna mount for the also to install your. You can also put your receiver here. Bunch of screws and nuts. And the frame. What's this? Oh, it's the side frame. I think they would also give this. I don't know how this called. This is called like it's you put it under the arms so that it won't touch the ground. So it's gonna make safer charge. That's it. Let's open the frame. Okay. So this one says it's a 5mm thick. Yeah. Smooth. Oh. It's hard. Yeah, it's hard. Strong. So by the way, this is a 2mm. This top plate is 2mm thick, and the arms are 5mm, and this one is 2mm. So I'm opening this bunch of screws. Put it inside the box. Shake it. Okay. By the way, no stickers. Okay. So sandwich. They put some screws here. This is 10mm. So this time I did not tie it first to the max, so that whatever happens I can adjust it easily. So it's not yet 100% tight. So there, it's going. Oh yeah, man, yeah. I'm happy. So I think it's just extra screws. You get 4 extra screws, I hope. 4 extra screws for the future use. Okay, and then I think it's time to tighten everything. So there it is, the iFlight XL6 version 4 6-inch fiber frame. Thank you, hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I'll make a video of this like for my build, so yeah, watch out for my next video, my 6-inch FPV frame, FPV what.